Wow. Holy moly.
Exactly. Can you at once tell us how much money I have lost and you have won? Uh-oh.
No. 5 cents.
Oh! Okay, I love 9 of clubs.
I love 9 of clubs.
I love 9 of spades.
I love 9 of spades.
Your card is a 9 of spades. Turn it.
And you are magic!
3, 2, 1. The location is London. And I drew the Big Ben and the big wheel. What did you draw? Oh, stop it! Stop it! Have you ever noticed how one surprising moment can instantly change the energy in a room? Suddenly people lean in, they're curious and they're engaged. And that's because moments of wonder have a powerful effect on human connection. So firstly, who believes in magic and that I can do this? Okay, wait, who believes in magic? Who believes I can do this? Hey, I love you guys. Everyone stand up. What are you feeling right now?
I'm so excited and just enthused.
Amazing.
Enthused.
Brilliant. That's a perfect
Great
reaction.
job.
We're definitely going to get you back up here.
All right.
I love bringing magic and mentalism into corporate events, whether I'm hosting as an MC or delivering a keynote on stage. Can you take your phone out? Hello?
Hi, this is Giovanna.
Oh my God! Moments of wonder and play instantly spark curiosity, laughter, and connection. And audiences don't just watch the experience, they become part of it. My card is red.
My card is not red.
So it's when you can't follow instructions, it's totally a red card. Who reckons they got a good poker face? Oh my gosh! Come on up, friend. Laughter and play bring people fully into the present moment, something that is surprisingly rare in a room full of busy adults. Just in case you thought there was something in the other box, there's nothing. Woo! The human brain is extraordinary. It is constantly interpreting and shaping the reality we think we see. But the most fascinating illusion isn't the one happening on stage. It is the one happening inside our own minds. And sometimes all it takes is one moment of wonder to transform the energy in a room, to spark curiosity and to bring people together.